silence drive me insane. Forgotten faces in the midnight rain. Burning bridges gone up in flame. Through the smoke can't see the lies. Cracks in the pavement under the skies. Searching for meaning in the compromise. Every whisper another despise. Broken strings they pull and they fray. Tired as the rags where we used to play. Screaming out loud with nothing to say. Holding on tight as we fade away. On the edges of a worn-out dream. Nights spent chasing an endless scheme. Words precise like a laser beam. Caught in the glitch of a broken stream. Floating clouds